Hey y'all, so today we're making homemade deodorant. I know it makes you a little nervous, almost like eating at a potluck, but I'm telling y'all, this natural deodorant works, all right? And I live in South Carolina in the bowl where it's very hot, all right? But this works. I've been using it for maybe 2 years now. Y'all, three ingredients. Three. I actually use four, and that's only because I use a fragrance. Look, y'all, all you need. Look, I got some water boiling right here. You're gonna take an empty glass container. I'm gonna put it right over that. So the heat is actually coming from the water. It's not on direct heat. All right. All you need is half a cup of arrowroot. All right, arrowroot. You can also use cornstarch, but I found that arrowroot works better. Also, half a cup of baking soda. And if you got sensitive skin, you may need to use less, but you can experiment. Again, baking soda, half a cup of both. And 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can use shea butter, but shea butter is salter and it's going to melt for sure. All right, I got some coconut oil here. And I have big containers because I do make a lot of stuff. Body butters and things like that. But y'all, that's all you need. We're going to turn this down. It's starting to boil. We're going to start adding our ingredients. So the 5 tablespoons, and it's going to melt fairly quickly, of coconut oil. All right, while that's going, I'm going to add my arrowroot powder. And it's going to turn until you kind of see it's like a clear liquid. It does help to have it already prepared. You know, baking soda is hard to get out of the container. And y'all, I'm telling you, it works. I'm always in the garden. It's hot as crap here. I got to do other things. It works. And it works all day, and you don't need to reapply. For those of you that need to keep reapplying, keeping your deodorant in your car, in your purse, carrying an extra shirt around, because you know the extra odor, that nervous sweat that smells worse than normal sweat, I'm telling y'all it works. And it makes you wonder why is the other deodorant have like 30 ingredients and this one only has 3. But I'm telling you it works. Alright, so this is all stirred up. It kind of looks like a slurry right now. Let me bring y'all over. Can y'all see that? That's how it looks. And that's just with the arrowroot. So now we're going to add the baking soda. You want to add, if you're going to add fragrance, add that last. So it's starting to thicken up. And it's going to start looking like icing. Let me show y'all. You see that? See how thick it's getting? It's going to be pasty, almost like a cream cheese icing. If you make it from scratch, that's how it looks, or vanilla icing. It's very pasty. You see that? All right, now I'm going to add some fragrance. And I'm going to use 2 different kinds. I get my fragrance from the Flaming Candle. I have a midnight bourbon. I have 4 boys, so they want like a manly smell. I'm actually wearing baby powder. It's called Baby Fresh from Flaming Candle. But I'm making myself today some with some Irish Spring. So if you bathe with the soap, you can, everything can smell the same. The soap, the body butter, and the deodorant. So I'm going to separate these and mix them up with the scents. And the great thing about this recipe too, y'all, everything I'm using, you can literally cook with after because it's all natural. Baking soda, arrowroot, which is found in the baking section, and what else I use? And the coconut oil. Y'all, all this is in the baking section of the grocery store. You can't go wrong. Now, if you add fragrance, I would suggest using something else. But everything I'm using, I use for when I make soaps and stuff. So these we don't eat with, but you can. All right, so I'm gonna get half of this out. And y'all, while this is going, this recipe fills up 2 of these. These are 2.5 ounces a piece. I got these off Amazon. And it fills up 1 of these. So 2 of those, 1 of these. And I use this for like little testers for people. You can just scoop it up and put it under your arms. So this recipe fills up 2 of those and 1 of these. And I'm actually going to fill up 1 of these for me today. Instead of those deodorant sticks, I'll save those for somebody else. All right, let's get these separated. Again, 2.5 ounces. And you don't have to purchase your containers online. You can just, whatever you have left over, clean it out really well and use that. You know, you got friends that's done with their deodorant containers. If you even want to go that far, use theirs as well. Use a mason jar. Use whatever you got. But if this is easy for you to actually just do that to let it set. And there it is. It could have filled it up, but I didn't mix it all. Because again, I'm making several. And we're going to put this in the fridge and let it set for about an hour or 2. And then it'll solidify. So y'all, that's it. If you got everything together, that literally took maybe 5 minutes to make. It don't take a lot to melt, and put it in a container, and then you're on your way. It's quicker than actually going to the store, buying deodorant, and getting back home. And because of the amount that I have, the bulk, you can make so many. And like deodorant, the good kind, is like $6 a bottle. You already paid for that with the ingredients one time. So y'all, it's definitely worth it. It works. It's natural. You don't have to worry about all that extra stuff. So hope y'all like if you use it. If you use this recipe, let me know how it works for you. It's not leaking. And this is mine. This is the Irish Spring. I'm actually about to make me some Irish Spring soap and some body butter. So it'll be all together. Same scent. And that's it, y'all. And I'm going to use this to scoop it out, rub it under there, and you only need a lot. I mean, you only need a little bit, y'all. You don't need a lot. You don't need to reapply. It's perfect. I can't believe I haven't been using this longer, but y'all, it works. All right. Hope y'all try it. Let me know how it goes. Love y'all. Bye.